Dorito78. I'm the new member of the crew.
Yeah, hey Ryan. And we all know Logan and Darby and Jacob and all them are, not here, right? Yeah.
Sick!
And they will not be coming. Because Logan and Jacob are joining the concert and I'm nowhere. Well, Darby's probably at home. She just doesn't play with her friends. Logan and Jacob are here.
Anyway, I heard to see something really ridiculous. See someone crashing and writhing in pain.
Okay. Josh, no, that's probably going to be me.
Oh, yeah. No, it was actually going to be me, but all right then.
No, who wants to see me crash in the grass from the top of the hill?
Me?
Alright.
Yes, I do want to see it.
But I'm riding down after that.
Yeah, but I'm riding down on my phone.
Which side are you going to be wrecking on?
Whatever you thong wearing fatty.
When we get on that mattress and put it where you're going to wreck at?
Don't touch the mattress.
Here we go.
I'm not so sure about this.
There's not between my legs though.
I'll make your two. Oh, that's Undertaker's game.
It's like an obstacle course. It's a mini obstacle course.
Oh! And that's how it's done. We're going to see what happened to the wreckage. Are you okay?
I know we look off your butt.
It's okay.
Let's go, y'all.
I'll carry him. I'm alright. Just don't touch me.
Hey.
I'm gonna hold my glasses on there.
Okay.
Don't touch the lights.
It seems I am the new cameraman. I seem to be the new cameraman. So...
What's gonna hurt me the most is I'm not wearing shoes, and so I can't try to stop this skateboard from going down. I'll put on a hole for my socks. I've done it before. Matt Brody!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
That was a terrible wreck. Okay, hey, watch this.
That
What about
sucked.
this? Oh, I forgot to frame for them. Can you hold him, cameraman? Hold him. Let me be the cameraman. Hold him, Matt.
No, because you don't have a still hand.
You're too shaky.
Look at that. It's all shaky.
I know. I don't know why.
Oh!
Nice.
I'm better than you.
We're going to see the wreckage. There he is.
I'm gonna redo that, but I'm actually gonna use my stitches this time.
Oh my god. I thought I was gonna break my legs when I crashed because I went like.
Did you crash?
Oh yeah.
my
I was trying to help you. I couldn't
Look at my glasses.
Standard steps for the skateboard. Done by Jared.
We don't care.
Dude, ah!
If you don't care. How many of you guys like the Himalayas? Where the big mountains are from? Big giant mountains.
And that.
I do.
Wait a second.
5, 4, 1.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah.
it just crashes up.
Bobby's back there, he's crying.
We got down.
I don't really want to hit.
I was about
Because he's my best friend.
pick it up.
No! Fight him!
Remember again.
Need a push?
No.
Oh, that was...
Doritos, why are you not wearing any shoes?
99.
78.
And the world of YouTube. I may be redoing mine because my first one sucks.
I know!
I know. I got
No,
shoes
give
on.
the camera to me. Give the camera to him. Jared, give the camera to me. No, because you're not steady. I don't care. It's my camera. Jared! Jared! Shut up. I got a good view.
I said shut up, man. You can't talk like that. Zoom in.
No, because when he comes by.
Okay, whenever he comes by, just zoom out.
Oh, we didn't get the crash.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. It went like, we got the impact though.
I think. So.
Oh my God.